Hey y'all, it's CJ with Smoky Beginnings, and today we're going to be going over how to use some leftover pulled pork in order to make an omelet. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go! First, what you're going to do is heat up your frying pan. You're going to want the frying pan to be over a medium to medium high heat, and we're going to allow that to come up to 10. Once that's come up to 10, I'm going to add some of the leftover pulled pork, and by adding it to the frying pan, it has two purposes. One, it's going to be heating up the pulled pork, and then two, it's going to be adding just another layer of texture. Some of these pieces of pulled pork are going to get just a little bit of crispy goodness on the outside. You're going to want to stir the meat or move meat around the frying pan, and you're just going to do this to prevent it from sticking to the pan. You're going to want to do this pretty regularly throughout the cooking process. After a few minutes, you are going to notice that there's going to be some sort of liquid in the bottom of the frying pan. So once you've rendered some of the fat, some of the juices came out, that is your indicator that it's time to remove the pulled pork from the stovetop. Once you have removed the pulled pork from the stovetop, using the same pan, you're going to pour in some scrambled eggs that have been seasoned with your favorite barbecue rub. In this instance, I did scramble 2 eggs and a little bit of egg whites. After a few minutes, you're going to notice that the edges and some of the middle have solidified. That is going to be your indicator that it is then time to add the ingredients. And the ingredients that we're going to be adding to this omelet are going to be cheese and that pulled pork that we fried up earlier. After adding your desired ingredients in the middle, go ahead and give it about a minute or two while the ingredients melt and meld together. Once you have done that, it's time to fold. And then we're going to try to fold this right on top of itself. Once you have folded the omelet, it is then time to plate. So go ahead and get a plate and let the omelet cool. This next step is optional. What I like to do is add some barbecue sauce to the top of my omelet. Just take your favorite barbecue sauce and just drizzle it just a little bit right on top. If you like content like this, make sure to like and subscribe, as that's the best way to support the channel. And leave a comment. Let me know, what do you like inside your omelet? Till next time, keep those fires burning and those taste buds tingling. Have a good one.